So your ad account got restricted. Let's solve it. Click on this request review and then allow it to load. Allow it to load to confirm your identity. Now this is to enable Facebook to know that you are the owner of the account. Okay, possibly it is while it was restricted. Now click on the captcha to also know that you're not a robot, and then confirm it. Okay, confirm it, and then you're going to put your phone number next. The particular phone number you used in your page and your Facebook account, please, that is the phone number you're going to impute here. Do not use a different phone number. Then click on this send by SMS. Remember, do not use a different phone number. If not, your ad account will become permanently restricted. Okay, so now they will send you a code to that particular number. Please copy the code and impute it here. Copy the code they sent to your number and impute it here in this space. It's a 6-digit code, so copy it and impute it here, and then submit it for them to verify. Now you're going to be uploading a photo of yourself. Please put a photo, a clear photo of yourself, something that Facebook can easily identify that this is you. Okay, remember, you're trying to verify your account to be sure that it is you. You are the owner of this account. So I'll go right ahead to select a picture like you can see here. Now after selecting your picture, allow it to load as well, and then confirm that that is your picture, right? You can see it is a clear picture. It is a clear picture. It has my face showing. Do not put a picture where you're just showing the side of your face, or the back, your back side, or any part of your body. Just your clear face. And then after that, you're going to proceed and follow the processes here. It's very simple to do, as you can see. So now you're going to be asking them why you're requesting for a review. Okay, so you're going to be answering why you're requesting for a review. Now just select the first option, which is saying that you're not sure which of their policy you violated, or you can as well select any other option that you deem fit. And after you select that, that will be all. Just click on done, and you're done with this segment and this session of requesting and making a review for your account to be reinstated. Okay, so while you are waiting for them, meanwhile the account stays for 24 hours. I mean, the review takes for like 24 hours for it to be verified. Most times it doesn't usually even take up to 30 minutes for them to review your account and reinstate it immediately. Okay, so make sure you follow the whole processes here. And if you like this video and every other videos I've been dropping, please do well to like the video here and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video to your friends, your loved ones, those who benefit, especially those running ads. So click on the subscribe button and see you next time.